How to change your name in Google Classroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to change your name in Google Classroom. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Classroom app and then go to the three lines in the top left and then head over to settings. Now you'll need to go to account settings. Now go to personal info and there you'll see name option. Tap on it and you can just change your name anything that you like by tapping on it. So that's it. It's as simple as that. You just need to hit done and your name will be saved after you tap the save option in the bottom. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.